as a sleeping shirt because I think it's cute, but not to wear as like a stylish top. Okay, my sister's being a lunatic. I think I want to keep it. I think it's kind of cool. It's like a leather jacket. I don't know, I've had this shirt for too long, but I'm gonna keep it anyway. Not good. Let's clear out this section. There's really not much to clear out. I kind of cleared out a lot. Let's organize my tube top section because this is a mess. Like my off-the-shoulder tube tops. So I have this cute Hollister one that I actually like. This is a shirt I'm debating on getting rid of. Brandy Melville tube top. We love her. We love this. This one I might just take out of this pile because I wear this one whenever I'm like doing my makeup. It's just like a tube top that I cut to make it a tube top. It was a dress. This I like. This, the color annoys me, but I still like it. This is a gray off the shoulder that I need to wear more. This, I don't know, I'm gonna show it to you guys. This I am iffy about, and so I am about what? I'm making no sense. Oh my god. You know what? It's extremely toasty in here and the lighting is bad again. Okay, the lighting's back to normal. I think it's gonna go bad again. Okay, no it didn't. This shirt, I think I'm gonna pass it on. It's from Target. I got it my freshman year. It's a cute, but like, I don't know. We're gonna toss it for now. Then I have this shirt that I think I'm gonna keep. I think it's kind of cool. It's my mom's. It's from Warehouse. She gave it to me because it doesn't fit her. But it looks like that. I kind of want to wear it like off the shoulder type of thing. Oh! Oh no. Mom, what did you do? Did someone bite your arm? I don't want to keep stuff that have holes in it. I think I'm gonna have to toss it. This shirt, I got it from Curl, and I loved this shirt for such a long time, but it's just kind of ugly to me now. It's really, really uncomfortable. Also, there's like very small holes in the back of it because the material is so sensitive. This tank top, we are getting rid of. I've had this since I was like 8. Not even kidding. It's out. Okay, these two shirts I'm kind of debating. This is a Hollister one, and it's cute and all, but something about these stripes just bothers me. Like, it's just like a very boring, like, girly outfit that's casual, you know? Like, I feel like, I don't know, like, this just reminds me of like a girl that wears leggings and Uggs with like a Michael Kors watch. This is another item I don't know if I should keep. I got this when I was 13 from Forever 21. I don't know, I love the fit. It's like the little old boxy styled shirts that were really, really popular in 2014. They make me happy. But the print, I don't know. I think I want to keep it. I think it's kind of cool. It's like a leather jacket. I don't know, I've had this shirt for too long, but I'm gonna keep it anyway. Not good. And a bunch of Alex Nani bracelets. That's what this kind of reminds me of, and I don't dress like that. So, like I used to. I would love that outfit. Like, my sophomore year and freshman year, that's what I dressed like, and now I dress like a 12-year-old, so, you know. Then I have this shirt. It's this Gap shirt, and I think the flowers are very faint, but they're really cute. And it's just like a long sleeve. I might just keep it. I actually thrifted this too a long time ago. It's one of my very first items I've ever thrifted, so obviously I'm keeping it. I put it back up there. This I'm getting rid of. This windbreaker, bad memories. I don't want it, and it's too small anyway. It's just this navy blue one that I don't like. This I kind of want to get rid of. These two siblings I was really close with at one point. They were getting rid of their clothes and stuff, and the sister had this hoodie for like a long time, and it was her brother's, and then she's like, Gabby, do you want it? I'm like, sure, it's a hoodie, I like hoodies, but I don't know if I should keep it or not. It's just a boring Abercrombie one. I think I might just get rid of it because I'm not gonna wear it. Yeah, I don't wear hoodies anymore. Like, I like big ones. I don't like small tight ones like that unless they're like cropped or something. Oh, this I don't know if I should get rid of. Up and close with my pimples. This was my sister's. She got two. She got a blue one, a neon blue, and this was whenever she was, I think, still in high school. It's just from Clearwater Beach. It's hideous, but I kind of want to keep it for at home. So no, it's too ugly. I have to get rid of it. I cleared out some stuff. It's still packed, but I can't clear out these collared shirts because I have to use them for school. I want to get rid of this one so bad. Like, I honestly don't think I'm gonna wear it next year. This gives you sweat stains. If you sweat a little bit, it'll like embarrass you. So I don't know how I feel about that. Oh, actually this dress, I think I'm gonna get rid of it. It's a little snug, and I kind of don't really like the print. It's this rose print. I love the style of the dress, like the shape, but I don't like the print. If this was black, I would wear this dress all the time, but I'm just gonna get rid of it. I've worn it a couple times, but it's a little tight. The buttons kind of undo themselves. This is another dress I think I'm just gonna get rid of. This was my mom's, and honestly, she might just use it as a shirt. I think this is a shirt, but I don't know. It has like the little sleeves, and it's just like a sparkly gold color, but I don't think I'm gonna wear that. This dress, I'm gonna get rid of it too. I got this back in 2013. I loved it. I wore it a couple times. It's just from Forever 21. I'm not gonna wear that again. This shirt, I think I'm gonna get rid of. I don't like it. It's this jade color. I hate this color. I thrifted this my sophomore year. It's just like a boring shirt. I don't like it. I hate that color. It like makes me angry every time I look at it. Wait, let me look at my sweaters. Let me try and smush and see what I have. This bad boy. Oh my god, I think it's gonna rip! This I got my freshman year, sophomore year from Hollister. I love the shirt, not this. So, gonna get rid of that. This I thrifted, but I hate the color. It's this polo Ralph Lauren sweater. I'm gonna keep it, but I don't like it, so. This is the pile of going. It's kind of big, so I think I'm good. It doesn't look like a lot, but I did clear out. But don't worry, next summer, if you like clear out videos, I'm definitely gonna do another one, and majority of all of this is gonna be gone.